Wanna know how to convert Celsius to Fahrenheit in Java? Well, no worries. In this video, I'm going to show you an easy step-by-step guide on how you can do it. It's super simple and under a minute, so let's get straight to it. Now, to convert Celsius into Fahrenheit, we use a simple formula, that is multiplying Celsius by 9 by 5. Then we add 32. So you can see this formula on the screen as well. We multiply it by Celsius, that is 9 by 5, and add it with 32. That's it. Super simple and easy. This converts the temperature scale accurately. Here, so we have created a double. So I would recommend to always use double under Celsius as it can be on decimals as well. So we have created it 30. Now we change it to Fahrenheit. So we have used Celsius times 9 by 5 plus 32, our simple formula. And then we have just simply printed it out. So you can just simply run it up to check it. And that's it. You're good to go. So 30 degree has been changed to 86 Fahrenheit, which is accurate. I hope this video helped. If it did, make sure to like, subscribe and tune in with us for more of these videos. See you in the next one.